In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up subtask automations in Clickup. Clickup is known for being an all-encompassing tool designed to streamline work processes, and setting up automations can significantly enhance productivity by automating repetitive tasks. Let's dive right in. First, begin by opening your browser and heading over to Clickup's homepage. Clickup is often referred to as the everything app for work, and it's not hard to see why once you get familiar with all its functionalities. Once on the website, you'll want to log in. Click on the login button in the upper right corner of the screen. If you haven't already logged into your account, you'll see an option to sign in with Google. Click on sign in with Google, which makes the process smooth and quick, provided you're already logged into your Google account. After signing in, you'll need to select the Google account you wish to use with Clickup. If you have multiple accounts, ensure you choose the correct one to access your workspace efficiently. Now that you're logged in, take a moment to navigate through your Clickup dashboard. Locate and select any list within your workspace. This step is crucial because automations are applied to tasks within a specific list. Next, look towards the top of your screen for the automations option and click on it. Automations can be a game changer in how you manage tasks in Clickup, eliminating much of the manual work involved in task management. Within the automation section, you'll find a drop-down menu. Here you get to choose which type of item the automation will pertain to, either tasks or subtasks. Since we're focusing on subtasks today, ensure you select subtasks. The following step involves setting triggers for your automation. One common trigger is status changes. Clicking on this will allow your automation to activate when the status of a task or subtask changes. Now, after configuring your trigger, you'll have the option to set a custom field, which lets you add specific data points crucial for your workflow, ensuring you maintain detailed records. At this point, you want to create the subtask itself. Simply click on Create a Subtask, and then you're prompted to enter essential details like the subtask name, which should be descriptive enough to inform others of its purpose, the priority level, whether it's high, medium, or low urgency, and the due date, to help manage deadlines effectively. Additionally, you can specify a start date, which can assist in planning your time appropriately. Once all these details are entered, review everything to make sure it's accurate and then click Create. Just like that, your subtask automation is set up and ready to make your project management more efficient. That's how you can effortlessly set up subtask automations in Clickup. It's a powerful feature that can save you a significant amount of time and ensure precise task management within your team. Don't forget to explore more automation options to tailor your Clickup experience even further. Thanks for watching and happy automating.